Good morning. It's about 7:30 in the morning. For today, I'm gonna be going to the Mangrove and signing up for a tour. It takes off at about 8:30, so I have to head there, and it's gonna be roughly about 120 ringgits. I haven't really planned anything out, but this is so far the only thing that I've got planned. So come get lost with me. Okay, so after about half an hour of riding, I'm actually here, and there's actually nobody here. This is a beach area and the beginning of the Mangrove tour. Apparently, there's actually quite a few tour shops here. So I have to wait until they open. So it looks like there's like restaurants here. Wow. Look at this. But obviously 8:30 is a bit early to be here because there's still really nobody here yet. Actually, I think they're starting to file in. But look at this though, man, this is crazy beautiful here. So I just signed up for the boat tour, or the Mangrove tour actually. Involves feeding eagles, going to Bat Cave, crocodile farm, and I think a few other things. The tour itself is 3 hours, and the total cost is 50 ringgits, which is much lower than it is during high season. I think now I think it's beginning of the low season. So I'm kind of looking forward to this. The tour actually does not start until 10 o'clock. Got some mango and coconut. Young coconut are awesome. An awesome way to start the day. So we're heading there right now. We're here? Okay. Oh, it's pretty warm today again, but it'll be nice to be on the water. So we're here at the eagle feeding, and it's really kind of, wow, it's really pretty, they're just flying all over the place, and they're feeding off of the fish over here. So he's putting in some, looks like chicken or fat or something like, yeah, chicken? Okay.
Chicken.
KFC. Oh, chicken skin?
Yes.
Oh, okay, chicken skin. Ooh. That one's coming and diving in. Just gonna dive in soon. Oh wow! Damn. Jeez, that's some kind of amazing. Come in, come in. Oh yeah.
There is mountain eagles.
Okay.
Mountains there, you have kawi stone. The colors of that stones brown color like that eagle.
Oh, okay. So.
Eagle and stone, one name, Langkawi.
Okay.
That's the problem about the monkeys in Langkawi. If you see them, just hide the food.
What kind of monkeys are these?
They call these long-tail cats or long-tail monkeys.
So this is Crocodile Cave, but there's actually no crocodiles. It's just the name, right?
Yeah. And why we call this crocodile cave? Because in this cave they have one stone shaped like crocodiles.
Oh, okay.
The stones like crocodiles. That is the part of the mouth. On the right side.
Yeah.
The biggest part.
Okay. Oh yeah, that looks like a mouth, huh?
It's like this, yeah.
Yeah, I got
the
it.
layer is the mouth. Little bit teeth. The
And
small
the-
hole in front there. All of you should be down here.
Okay.
11:25. You are not here tomorrow same time.
So it's 11 o'clock right now. We got
And one more
25
thing.
minutes.
Only from here you have to pay by yourself for entrance fee.
Okay. 2 ringgit? Okay, cool. So we have 25 minutes here at the Bat Cave.
How many of you?
Just one.
One light? Present 2 ringgit. And 1 ringgit light is 1 ringgit.
Yeah, I'll take it. Yeah. Okay, thank you.
Lampu RM.
Thank you. Okay, so they are pretty cute, but again, they are wild animals, so should probably stay a little bit further away. So the monkeys are really cute, and I don't want to discourage anybody from coming to see them and stuff, but just don't feed them. They get so used to people feeding them that they're not as scared of people anymore, which is not good for them. So anyways, let's keep on moving. Bat Cave. So yeah, the bats are all up in the ceiling, especially over there. There's just a ton of them right there, hanging upside down. Cave is pretty nice though. There's no bats in this area. It's all in that little area over there, and they're all huddled together. Okay, and that's really it. It's like maybe a 10-minute nature walk. And so with anywhere that I usually go, I try to get there as early as possible, and this is why. This is just the beginning of low season, I mean, for tourism, but still there's quite a few people. So we're done with everything in the mangrove, and so now we're heading to the fish farm. So this is a fish farm, and I think they raise fish for the local markets and the restaurants. But we can get some food because we got about 50 minutes to kill over here. Okay, so we're gonna watch the fish feeding. That looks like a shark. Stingrays here. Wow. obviously these aren't fishes that they eat or sell to market like I previously thought, but it's more like a little aquarium. Really kind of neat. So this is lunch. I got some tom yum soup, but not spicy, and then got some gailan with oyster sauce and along with rice. Okay, so we're done with the fishing farm. Yeah, and now we're done here. That was a really fun tour, actually. Okay, so I'm in here at Skull Beach, I think. There's a little walk in. It's pretty nice. There's definitely people around though. Okay, so I was just in the water, but I kind of had to stop when I got to the beach, and I actually saw a few people that I knew, and they were sunbathing topless, which was fine. Anyways, yeah, it was really fun. The water was great. The beach is really nice, and right now I've got about another hour or so before I meet up with somebody else, and we're gonna go check out the sunset on Mount Raya. So we're here up here at the sunset. We made it just in time before the sun set below the mountain, but it's so beautiful. Look at this. This is the city down there, and the sun's just coming down right now. It's unbelievable. We hauled ass up this hill, or this mountain, and it's totally worth it. Oh, such a beautiful thing. So sun's going down, drones in the air.
That's really cool.
Oh, that is freaking awesome. Glen's piloting for now.
Okay, ready? Here we go.
So this is going up.
David flying the drone.
Oh, I'm gonna crash.
For the first time. It's a beautiful view.
Is it recording now?